Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to assign a new unit in Solidworks. Before the material video, you can export all the material, and in this time not get the material, just only get the unit in Excel sheet, and you just only select or change, and you will see part, configuration, unit type, mesh type, length, path, or you can see all of them is custom, or if you want to change the custom, you can use, for example, you can use this short name like this, and if you use unit type instead of custom, you can not fill in here. You can, doesn't matter mesh type or length type, because program just only unit time change this unit system, and this is not important. Or if you select the custom, this is very important because you have to write through thing, for example centimeter and pounds, meter, just only meter, and I change it inches, and I didn't find change. I will share all the possibility in this video, and you can use this key, or you can export something and you will see the same mesh type, length type, and you can discover yourself. But I share all mesh type or length type or unit type, and you can use this type. Just only I change manually, and part 1, if I want change, just only select Excel, books 1, the macro, import, and all of unit system is changed, successfully complete. If you wanna check it, I open assembly and export. Yeah, you can see all of them is changed. It's very easy to use unit system. Thanks for watching.